I watched a soldier bleed out in Afghanistan because of one chest rig mistake. I'll make sure that never happens to you or your family. As a former 160th Special Operations Aviation Regiment combat flight medic and current nurse practitioner with multiple combat tours, I've seen simple setup errors get people killed, good people, both overseas and at home. If your chest rig isn't configured just right, it's not gear. It becomes a liability. Let's fix that before it's too late. The chest rig is the go-to gear for preppers and survivalists. It's lighter than a plate carrier, faster to grab than a ruck, and practical for any emergency. But a bad setup can slow you down, wreck your endurance, and fail when seconds really count. As you know, failure equals death. I still run old school load bearing gear from my combat medic days because it earned my trust the hard way in the field and combat under fire when seconds and sweat decided who made it home. The LBE carried my tourniquets, trauma shears, and morphine when everything else failed. It rode on my shoulders in the desert, through rotor wash, through the jungles, over mountains, and Afghanistan. It never quit on me. And that kind of loyalty from gear sticks with you. But technology moved forward. And for most civilians, the modern chest rig is the right evolution. Lighter, modular, faster to don in a crisis, and easier to tailor to mission-specific needs. The same rules still apply, though. Every ounce counts. Every piece must earn its place. You don't need nostalgia. You need performance. Stay with me, because at the end of this mission brief, you'll know exactly how to build a rig that moves when you move and it fights when you fight. We'll break down every critical mistake, overloading, poor layout, bad retention, and lack of training. And I'll show you 2 rigs I personally trust in the field. You'll walk away knowing what to carry, where to mount it, and how to keep it secured under stress. Whether your mission is home defense, evacuation, or survival on the move, this training will make the difference between gear that saves you and gear that slows you down. Mistake number 1, overloading your rig. It doesn't help you shoot, move, or communicate. It doesn't belong on your chest. Too many preppers overload with gear they'll never use. Knives, canteens, ponchos, extra mags that they can't even carry. You're not packing for a deployment. You're prepping to move. Keep it lean and functional. Magazines, tourniquet, radio, map, light. That's all you need on the rig. Everything else goes in the ruck or on your vehicle. Efficiency beats excess every time. Mistake number 2, poor gear placement. If you can't reach it fast, it might as well not exist. I've seen soldiers try to go prone and get stuck because their mags were too high. If you can't crawl, move, or roll, you're already at a disadvantage. Train to reach every tool with either hand in the dark while under stress. Your tourniquet should be front and center, not buried. When seconds matter, accessibility saves lives. Mistake number 3, not training with your setup. If your first time wearing your rig is during a crisis, you've already failed. We used to drill until we could reload blindfolded in a sandstorm. If you can't find your gear by touch, you're not ready. Wear it during workouts, sprints, crawls, dancing, or obstacle drills. You'll learn real fast what digs in, what snags, and what needs to move. Your gear should feel like an extension of your body, definitely not an anchor. Join the mission. If this kind of world intel helps you, hit subscribe and like right now. This channel isn't theory. It's fieldcraft for civilians. I drop weekly mission briefs on survival gear, trauma kits, and medical readiness built from my deployments. Join the mission, because knowledge unused is potential wasted, and the next tip could literally save your life. Field support. If this is helping you, Support the mission. Grab gear through my Amazon or eBay storefronts. Every order keeps the real world lesson alive. Every order keeps these real world lessons alive. I only recommend what I use. No gimmicks, no sponsors, just field-tested gear. Just field-tested gear that works where the world doesn't. I only recommend what I use. No gimmicks, no sponsors, just field-tested gear that works when the world doesn't. Links are below. Train hard, stay equipped, and keep learning. Mistake number 4, weak retention. If it's not secured, it's not yours. Tie everything down. Radios, tools, flashlight, shears. Gravity is not your friend. Dummy cords, zip ties, 550 cord. They are all your insurance. In Afghanistan, I watched a guy lose his radio mid-patrol because he trusted Velcro. We lost comms and almost lost lives. Don't be that guy. Mistake number 5, choosing the wrong rig. Not all rigs are created equal, you know. Some are made for heavy combat loads, not suburban survival. You don't need to look tactical. You need to be able to move fast and stay functional. That's where most preppers get it wrong. Let me save you the guesswork. Here are the only 2 rigs that I recommend. First is the Hailey Strategic DC3RM micro chest rig. This rig is small, modular, and perfectly balanced. It's designed by real operators. It gives you instant access to mission essentials without the bulk. It holds 6 mags, radio, medical gear, and tools without weighing you down. The straps are wide and breathable. It distributes your weight evenly across your chest and shoulders. It's built in the USA with mil-spec materials and a rigged stitching that survives the elements. If you're going to own one chest rig, this is the one for you. The second one is the Blue Force Gear Micro Trauma rig. This is a minimalist rig, lean, profile, and fast. It's built for rapid deployment and mobility, ideal for bug-out scenarios and suburban emergencies. It excels at modularity. Velcro panels and MOLLE webbing let you configure it for your specific mission. It's incredibly lightweight at just over 11 ounces and still rugged enough to handle real abuse. Blue Force Gear is known for superior retention and comfort. Nothing flops, rattles, or sags. The rig disappears under a jacket and rides close to the body, making it perfect for low visibility preparedness. Both rigs have field-tested retention, smart ergonomics, and durability proven in real operations. This is not cosplay rigs. They are professional tools for serious preppers. Myth versus fact. Myth. More gear means more readiness. Fact. The heavier your rig, the slower your reaction. And slow is dead. Myth. All rigs are tactical overkill. Fact. A chest rig is just efficient load distribution. It's not for war, it's for survival. Myth. Any cheap rig will do. No. Fact. Cheap rigs fail at the same. Break buckles and lose retention when you need them most. Quick facts. The average loaded chest rig weighs 16 to 25 pounds. Over 30 is way too much. Optimal layout. Center, mags, side medical, comms on your weak side. A properly fitted rig should allow full kneeling, crawling, and sitting in a vehicle. Replace the bungees and the buckles every 12 months if you train regularly. Never rely solely on Velcro for critical pouches. Add a clip or a cord backup. Train once a month wearing your full rig. Simulate real movement, not just standing still. Quick fires. What's your rig weigh fully loaded? Do you know? Can you crawl under a table with it? Can you draw your tourniquet in the dark? Can you get up from the prone position without snagging? Can you reload it blindfolded? If you can't do all 5, your rig is not ready. Let's recap this. A chest rig is only as good as its setup and your training. Audit your rig tonight. Does it help shoot, move, and communicate? Is every item secured? Can you operate it blindfolded in the dark? If not, you need to fix it now. Before you go, fix your rig, then fix your kit. Watch my video, 5 IFAC mistakes that could kill you. It breaks down the medical kit errors that get people killed. Bad placement and training and gear. Together, these 2 videos will help build your survival loadout. Like the video, share it with your team, and drop a comment with your setup. Like the video, share it with your team, and drop a comment with your setup. This is survival. This is resilience. This is Suburban Prepper.